So for this worksheet, this is called an anticipation guide, and you're going to mark on this worksheet before and after reading. So before you read the story, you're just going to read these statements here, and you're going to decide whether you agree or disagree with them. So let's do this first one together right here. So it is possible for two people to know and understand each other completely. If you agree with that, all you do is put an X. And if you disagree with that, you put an X. But only do one of these, don't do both. And then you don't worry about this section right here until after reading. But you go ahead and do, the rest of these, mark them whether you agree or disagree. And then after you read the story, you'll go back to this worksheet right here, and then you'll answer this question. So why did your opinion change, or did your opinion change, why or why not? So if your opinion about like these subjects over here, these statements over here, changed, then you'll put yes, and then you'll explain why. If your opinion didn't change, you'll put no, but you'll still have to explain why. So either way, if your opinion changed or didn't change, you'll have to explain.